Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're here, you probably need to reset your Hisense Roku TV to its factory settings. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or preparing to sell your TV, a factory reset can help. Let's dive right in and show you how to do it. Step 1. Accessing the settings menu. First, make sure your TV is on and you're at the home screen. Using your Roku remote, navigate to the left side of the screen to highlight the settings option. Press OK to select it. Step 2. Navigating to System Settings. Now, scroll down the settings menu until you find System. Select it by pressing OK. Step 3. Advanced System Settings. In the System menu, scroll down to find Advanced System Settings. Again, press OK to enter this menu. Step 4. Selecting Factory Reset. Here, you'll see the option for Factory Reset. Select it by pressing OK. Step 5. Factory Reset Everything. Under the Factory Reset menu, you'll see two options. We want to choose Factory Reset Everything. This will remove all your settings, accounts, and data from the TV, returning it to its original out-of-the-box state. Select this option. Step 6. Entering the confirmation code. To confirm the reset, you'll need to enter the code displayed on the screen. This code ensures that the reset isn't done accidentally. Use the remote to enter the code and then select OK. Your TV will now begin the reset process. This might take a few minutes. The TV will restart a couple of times during this process, so don't worry if it seems to turn off and on. Step 7. Initial setup. Once the reset is complete, your TV will display the initial setup screen, just like it did when you first bought it. You can now go through the setup process or power it off if you're planning to sell or give it away. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Hisense Roku TV to factory settings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.